If you are looking to purchase a compost bin for your backyard, I want to share the pros and cons of some of the most popular styles on the market. If you are new here, my name is Shala, and I used to have a compost business until my business outgrew my space and I had to put it on hold until we get more land. So I've tried a plethora of different bins. And yes, there are multiple ways to DIY a compost bin, but if you live in the suburbs like I do and you have neighbors fairly close by, that's one reason you might want to purchase an outdoor bin. So I'm going to show you the 4 bins I currently use, but I break all of these down with pros and cons over on our website, secondmilejourney.com, and I will include a link to the article in the description. So these are my 2 standing bins that I have currently, and this one is the one that I don't care for, and I'm going to show you just how flimsy it is. You can see that as the compost caused it to expand, see, it's very cheap, flimsy material, not sturdy at all, and it doesn't even close all the way anymore. And then you can see these slots here, how big they are. That's how we got mice in here one year. And then even it looks like this thing is not even holding on very well anymore. Can't even get it out. There we go. But that's how you access your completed compost. So it does still work, but since it is currently $92, that's why I think it's not worth the price tag right now. Now this one over here is my favorite of the standing bins, but it is the one that I can no longer find anywhere. You can see how sturdy this is. You can see it's not flimsy whatsoever. And then it has this lock. See here? Twist lock. It has it on both sides. So you can make sure. And then it also has the access panels. I guess it's called Soil Saver. Maybe that's what I need to Google. I can't do it one-handed, but you can tell though that it's just a higher quality plastic. It doesn't give whatsoever. And then come look at this one. Well, it doesn't look like it gives. It's hard to tell, but anyway, you can tell by the lid how cheap it is. And this is my favorite rotating bin. You can see it's the Lifetime brand. And right here is what I mean on making sure that it's locked. Sometimes I've had it like that and I forgot to check it. And then when you go to spin it, it pops open. And you can even have it like that. And sometimes it'll pop open. Anyway, you just want to make sure, you want to like really tug on it and make sure it's going to hold before you go to spin it. You just take it out of there. It's really hard for me to spin anymore. I can't do it, especially with one hand. But anyway, if I hadn't torn my tendons, I could do it. But let me show you the inside. Ignore the mess on our patio because we are in the middle of spring cleaning, but here is the small bin. And it does have like a little latch here so that you can lock it into place. Let's see, it's a lot easier for me to spin. Needs to be cleaned up. But you can kind of see how that works.